Here we're looking at the Dow. We are seeing prices stall just a little bit here, down about 120 range. It was down a little bit more than that, but it recovered a little. Still see this above the weekly area, and we are still seeing it above the 50-day moving average. That's going to be crucial. Any break of that level, and I think we will really have some bearishness in this move. I would watch for any break of the 17,200. I think that would really signal a very deep correction, or at least a very significant action to the downside that could last for some time. I also feel that even though if we do see, a gasp higher, which can happen here. Remember, we're seeing sideways action for a long time. If we break these highs, we could see a little bit more of a commitment there as people get all excited that we hit a new high after running sideways for the whole year. But to me, when I look at it and I look at the progress, you see a little bit of a move, but up until March, then you see sideways action for the whole time, and you're right here. So I don't know how successful that really was, in my opinion, and it shows that it just doesn't have the commitment to break to new highs this year, other than that first initial move, and now we've been seeing sideways action ever since. So now it has to kind of show that commitment in my mind, and we're very vulnerable to potential corrections or lack of momentum and follow through, and I think we're seeing that here. So I'm in the more bearish camp, with the understanding that we still have been in an uptrend for a long time, and just been in a longer term correction action that could resolve to the upside. But I'm still in the camp where I don't think it's worth that much of a play, as the percentage there in my mind is not worth some of the risk that we're seeing there. I would just be careful in this market environment. I think it's very prone for weakness that could eventually set in.